Welcome to the channel, my friends. It's a 2013 GMC Acadia. 2007 to about 2017. They're going to be fairly similar, including your Chevy Traverse and the Buick Enclaves are going to be very similar. Where is the battery on this vehicle in case you have to jump start or replace the battery? The battery is not located in the engine bay on these vehicles. In case you have to jump start the vehicle, this is your negative terminal here and the positive terminal here. So that's the location for your jump start in case you have to jump start another vehicle or this particular vehicle. Now the battery location on these is on the inside. If you open up the rear door, the battery is actually located under the floor here on the passenger side. The floor mat, you can unlock these tabs. There's one here, there's one in the center. If you just turn those, you should be able to lift up and fold that to the other side. The battery is actually located right under this cover. It does help to have the front seat forward a little bit so you can access this edge of the cover. And this is also a cover that will have to be removed. So just by pulling on one corner, that'll come off just like so. One torque screw on it, T15 screw. And once that's removed, you should be able to lift up on this cover. And there is your battery. Located on the passenger side in the floor under these covers. We're also going to be replacing the brakes on this vehicle. So stay tuned for that video. I thank you for watching.